Hi, I'm Michael from the Digital Marketing Institute. Over the next 60 seconds, I want to show you how you can tap into the demand for digital marketing and digital selling training using our education package. We know how fast digital moves, we work with it every day, and we know how hard it is to provide relevant and current training. So we've used our expertise to put together an education package that students want, professionals need, and employers are crying out for. With over 15,000 graduates across 80 countries, we and our growing network of education partners have trained more professionals to the one single digital education standard than any other certification body. As well as that, we work with some of the world's most influential brands. Our education package provides everything you need to teach relevant digital skills: a cutting-edge syllabus, 180 hours of video content, comprehensive learning resources for instructor-led training. All our testing is done through Pearson VUE, and we provide great marketing, lead generation and sales support. So, to join our network of education partners, increase your student intake and offer a course that's in high demand, contact our licensed team today.